Hi everyone, thanks for joining me here again at Health+Med Wearables That Matter. My name is Denise and I'm the founder of healthmedwearables.com, and every Friday I'll bring you one new Health+Med wearable that matters. But today's version of Health+Med Wearables That Matters is going to be a little bit different. Today I'd like to talk to you about why I choose this particular wearable to wear all of the time. First of all, this wearable is called Mi Band. It is created by a company in China called Xiaomi. Xiaomi realizes that the essence of any type of wearable has to be in the simplicity that it brings to the market. So there are 4 reasons why I chose to start with and wear the Mi Band, and I've been wearing this Mi Band, keep in mind, over a year now. First of all, the reason that I chose the Mi Band, first of all, was because of price. The price was approximately $20. Now the new Mi Band 2, which incorporates another element to the Mi Band, runs around $50 if you look on Amazon. So between $20 and $50 is what the Mi Bands are going for. So price is very, very important to most people when it comes to these new devices that they are trying to figure out. 2 is 24/7. I want to be able to wear this in the shower. I want to be able to go swimming with it, and I don't want to have to think about it. The third reason that I chose the Mi Band was because I wanted something that I did not have to remove from my wrist every 2 to 5 days in order to charge it. So Mi Band, the original Mi Band, lasts approximately 30 days before I have to remove it from my wrist and recharge it. The fourth reason I chose the Mi Band was because of its simplicity in setting it up. First of all, it's very simple structure. The Mi Band itself sits inside of this very nice silicone, very comfortable band. I don't even notice that I have it on anymore. And when I put this in, I then downloaded the app, the Mi Band app, onto my Apple phone and was able to set it up within 5 minutes. So how does this impact the consumer world? The consumer world wants a simple device that they can start to interact with and start to understand more about how they go about their daily routine. The second reason that consumers are looking for simple devices is they do not want to have to keep removing these devices from their wrist, plugging them in to charge them, and then putting them back on their wrists. As studies have shown, most people do not put them back on their wrist and simply wind up in the drawer. I believe with the Mi Band that the simplicity of charging and the battery life that lasts 30 days has provided the ability for a consumer to utilize this wearable in a much better fashion than the other wearables that are on the market. So how does this impact the doctors, the professionals that are out there looking for a device to recommend to some of their patients? I believe that the Mi Band is one of the best wearables for a doctor to recommend to their patients. Number one, because of price. Most patients can afford $25 to $50 in order to be able to collect the data necessary to determine, are they walking enough and are they sleeping well enough? With the Mi Band 2, you can even find out if their heart rate is good enough. The third place in which these wearables are starting to take shape is with the pharmaceutical industry and the clinical trial field. Pharmaceutical industries are in need of data collection agents, such as these wearables, in order to collect data necessary for their drug trial tests. With the Mi Band, testing for activity and sleep and heart rate are seamless. I believe that the Mi Band is one of the best wearables for a pharmaceutical or clinical trial environment simply because it stays on the patient or the volunteer wrist 24/7 for 30 days without having to take it off. When volunteers or patients are required to check in or to wear something, they need to be sure that they are not going to deviate from the standards that the clinical trial has dictated. I believe that the Mi Band could be one of the first precursors to helping pharmaceutical companies and clinical trial companies to determine how wearables will best gather and evaluate data necessary in order to expedite FDA approval. For more information about any of the Health+Med wearables that we've discussed in the past or about the Mi Band, please visit us at healthmedwearables.com. Thanks for joining me, and we'll look forward to seeing you next week on Health+Med Wearables That Matter.